Today is June 14th and we're in Mandarin at the Pet Adoption Center run by First Coast No More Homeless Pets. We're getting a really close-up. We're with FOJA, Friends of Jacksonville Animals. This is Summer. Her tail is wagging. She sees stuff going on. She's a 2-year-old Border Collie. She's been fostered. Her foster said she's a little shy, but on the other hand, wants to be a lap dog. So put those two together. The foster also said that she is very loyal, very sweet, but would be best as an only child in a family. Doesn't do so great with other dogs. But look at her beautiful coloring and coat, chocolate brown, different shades of brown with those gorgeous white spots. Come see Summer here, great age of 2 years old. Number is 683-8922.